Here's cabin 5135 on the MSC Seaside. This is an ocean view room. Very nice and spacious room. Right next to the bed is the closet, the safe, some shelving, some drawers. Back towards the entrance to the restroom. Very nice restroom, a little more spacious than I thought it would be. Got a shower head like most cabins. Most cruise ships, I should say. But a very nice restroom in this cabin. When I came in, I had to put a key in here. I was able to turn on the lights after I did that. Control the AC. Let's take a walk towards the back of the cabin. Obviously the couch, which you can see. Across from the couch is the TV, desk, and then the ocean view window. We are still in Port Miami. Got a little condensation on the window. May or may not have rained, I'm not sure. Been inside for the past hour. But that is the ocean view room in the MSC Seaside, room 5135.